Question number 18. The sum of the fourth and eighth terms of an AP is 24 and the sum of the sixth and 10th terms is 44. Find the first three terms of AP. First we write the value given in this question. The first statement says the sum of fourth and eighth terms, that is the A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. Fourth and eighth terms of AP is 24. Now second part of this question is the sum of the sixth and 10th terms is, so A6 and A10 is equal to 44. Find the first three terms of AP. So we have to find A, D, from that we can construct A1, A2, A3. Okay. So first we'll go ahead with the first equation available with us, that is the A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. So now use the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1d, that formula I would use. So in this case a plus n is 4 minus 1 d plus a plus 8 minus 1 times d, that is equal to 24. A plus 3d plus a plus 7d is equal to 24, or 2a plus 10d is equal to 24. You can divide by 2 or keep the number as it is, nothing wrong in that one. So I prefer to keep the number as it is because I don't need like division multiple lot of times. So 2a plus 10d equal to 24, the equation number 1. So now I am going for the second part of this one, sixth term and 10th term. The sum of the sixth term and 10th term is 44. So in this case, I read this equation, sum of sixth term and 10th term is 44. As usual, what is A6? A plus 6 minus 1d plus a plus 10 minus 1 times d, that is equal to 44. What I am expecting from you is, every time you don't write the second line what written here. So after seeing A6, you have to write a plus 5d, so that you can have at least 10 seconds extra in your board examination. Okay, so you have to practice well so that you can minimize the number of steps written here. So these videos are meant for like basic level learners. According to level, you can skip some steps here. So here in this case, a plus a is 2a and 5d plus 9d is a 14d, that is equal to 44. I call this equation number 2. What I am going to do now is I am going to subtract equation 1 from 2. So I am going to subtract equation 1 from 2. What is equation 2 here? 2a plus 14d, that is equal to 44. You can 1 minus 2 also possible, but I prefer to go for 2 minus 1, the same equation number 2. Now I am coming to the first equation. What is the first equation? 2a plus 10d equal to 24. 2a plus 10d is equal to 24. This is equation number 1. So when I am going for subtraction, I just change the sign here. So in this case, 2a minus 2 is 0. 14d minus 10d is equal to 4d. That is 44 minus 24 is equal to 20, or d is equal to 20 upon 4, that is equal to 5. So I got the answer d is equal to 5. Now I am going to substitute d equal to 5 in any one of the equation. Maybe I go for equation 1. What is equation 1? 2a plus 10d equal to 24. So in this case, I am going to substitute d is equal to 5 in equation 1. Okay, in equation 1. What is equation 1? 2a plus 10d equal to 24. So 2a plus 10d is equal to 24. 2a plus 10d equal to 24. So now substitute here 2a plus 10, d value is 5, that is equal to 24, or 2a plus 50, that is equal to 24, or that is equal to 2a is equal to 24 minus 50, that is equal to minus 26. So 2a is equal to minus 26, or a is equal to minus 26 upon 2, that is equal to minus 13. So now I got the value of a is equal to minus 13. We already found the value d is equal to 5 and a is minus 13. What they asked now, first three terms of this AP. So in this case, you have to construct AP. What are the value I know so far? I just now found the answer, a is equal to minus 13, and earlier I found the value of d, that is equal to 5. So first term a1, that is equal to a, and there is nothing but minus 13. Now the second term a2 is equal to first term plus difference, that is first term is equal to minus 13 and difference d is equal to 5. 13 minus 13 plus 5 is equal to minus 8. The third term in this case is second term plus difference. The second term in this AP is minus 8, difference is plus 5, that is equal to minus 3. They ask the first three terms of the AP. The three terms of the AP is given minus 13, comma, minus 8 and minus 3. Like this we can find the rest of the terms one by one.